Good afternoon and welcome back to the BioProcess Theater here at BIO. I'm Dan Stanton. I'm the editor of our newest publication, BioProcess Insider, a digital business B2B news site and newsletter which we are actually launching in June. And as it's June, it's coming very soon. So I would say feel free to check out the site, and it's free to subscribe to, and you get news and business views direct to your inbox. So we have a series of sessions this afternoon, talking to some of the people here at BIO, some of the industry, and my first guest is Sommer, who is Vice President of Advanced Facilities at Jacobs.
Now, got it right.
Jacobs offers a range of services from advanced planning and programming to design, construction, and commissioning to startup qualification and validation. And Jacobs has been involved in a number of very large biomanufacturing facility projects over the years. So, Sean, just a couple of examples. The BMS facility in County Dublin, Ireland, the Biogen facility in Luterbach, Novartis in France. Are you the go-to guys when it comes to biomanufacturing facilities, or what?
We would say we were, yes. But it's an interesting industry that we're seeing right now, because I think what we're seeing is really a tale of two facilities in some ways, where we're seeing the need for capacity really to go with a traditional stainless steel manufacturing facility, pump out as much product as you possibly can, but also the need for disposable facilities with quick turnover in terms of product turnover and high flexibility. So we're still seeing a little bit of that dichotomy between those two areas within the industry. In terms of the global distribution of what we're seeing that's going on right now, I would say that in the U.S. we're seeing a lot of investment that's going on at the moment, and mainly really due to the recent tax reform that just went through at the end of the year.
You're seeing that already coming through?
Absolutely. We're seeing definite uptick in CapEx really across the board in all the industries that we're working with in the U.S.
So as far as Jacobs' presence in the biomanufacturing space, let's go back 20, 30 years. You're kind of there at the beginning.
We were. I mean, the way Jacobs started in the industry in the early 90s is that we acquired, we're a serial acquirer. We acquired 3 different companies, one named Camargo, another named Siegel, and another named Triad. And out of those 3 acquisitions, we were able to grow a global biomanufacturing engineering presence.
And in those sort of 20, 30 years, what changes have you seen biomanufacturers go through? What are the kind of, how different is a facility that you design and construct now to how it was in 1992?
Well, in biotech, it absolutely is the size of the bioreactors, right? I mean, the titers have come down significantly from the beginning and early stages of biomanufacturing process. So we've seen them really go, I would say, 30-fold in terms of reduction in size, in terms of the titers that are out there. And that has enabled a lot of innovation around all of the manufacturing that we see out there. High production throughputs. I mean, early years, a chromatography column of, I want to say 0.5 meters would have been a large chromatography column. Now we're seeing 2-meter columns, which is, you could see the innovation in the manufacturing.
So from a design perspective and from a construction perspective, has Jacobs had to invest or increase its skills in-house to keep up with the changes that are happening in biomanufacturing?
Absolutely. I mean, so we just, we make a lot of acquisitions. We just acquired a company called CH2. And one of the things that they really held a very good expertise in was harnessing the subject matter expertise that's within the company in the various industries that they work in. And they call it basically solutions and technology. They have a specific group where they have a career path and grow those individuals and grow that expertise. So we've made a decision since we've acquired that company to learn from them and really take that, call it retention of those subject matter expertise individuals within our company and create that solutions and technology group, which requires some investment.
Jacobs, you obviously have a presence in biomanufacturing, but you have a presence in a lot of industries. How important is the biomanufacturing space for you guys?
Oh, it's extremely important. I mean, it is one of, so what we've done since we've acquired CH2, we've moved some pieces of the companies around, and what we've created is what we call advanced facilities, and we serve 3 end markets. 1, the life sciences market, 2, the electronics market, and 3, in the specialized manufacturing market. And those 3 markets, what we've tried to do within our corporation since we've acquired CH is learn from each other between each one. And one of the things that we know